my tail.
Oh, careful. Matthias, do you like your new friend? Is she gonna play with you? Oh goodness. Oh goodness. I think there are better alternatives than the couch to chew on. Yeah, I like my hand. That's good.
Are you recording?
Well, I can't get a clear photo. They're all just blurs. It's so exciting, I know. Yeah. He's like, I'm so excited, but I have to, you know, contain my excitement a little bit, because she gets a little scared.
You have to be grown up now.
You're no longer a puppy.
You're no longer a puppy.
Oh, you're always a puppy.
You're
Look
no
at
longer
you.
a puppy. Yes.
He's like, no, I am. I'm a puppy. Look,
You're no more puppy.
I can be a puppy.
You're not a puppy anymore.
Where are you going? Oh,
Whoa.
whoa, all right. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, baby. Oh.